Klaviyo email marketing tutorial, how to use Klaviyo as a complete beginner. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Klaviyo to create email marketing campaigns, sign up forms, SMS campaigns, and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you can do is you can go to klaviyo.com and you will land right here on this website. Klaviyo.com is an email marketing platform that also allows us to create SMS marketing campaigns. We can create sign up forms. You can integrate your Klaviyo into your e-commerce platforms such as Wix, Shopify, and others to create email marketing campaigns, sign up forms for your business, and also to create email flows. That's what we will cover in this video. So you will need to get started with Klaviyo as a complete beginner. So once you get to the website, you're just going to click on sign up. In order to sign up, you have to enter these details. You have to enter your email address. Then we have a password, company name, company website, enter your phone number. You will click on I am not a robot and then check this button, create account. This way you will be able to create your account on Klaviyo. After the initial sign up or sign in, this is where you will get. You can see this is my klaviyo.com and I'll show you how to create email marketing campaigns. On Klaviyo Dashboard, we have home, campaigns, flows, sign up forms, audience, content, analytics, and conversions. We can also integrate our Klaviyo to our Salesforce, WooCommerce, Shopify, any other platform you want to connect it to. We also have our performance here, lists and segments, activity feed. So in audience, you will be able to actually check your lists and segments here, profiles. In content, we have our templates and our products. Let's go to the campaigns right here. And then to create a new campaign, you will click on this button. Now we can select what kind of campaign we can create. If you want to create an email campaign or SMS, so I'm going to go with email. We have 3 steps when it comes to creating an email marketing campaign. So the first step is going to be the recipients. This is going to be my campaign name. So I'm going to actually change it to, let's call it test. Then we have tags. If you want to create some tags, you can do that here to just organize your Klaviyo. Then we have to enter our recipients, sent to. So you can either create a list of your own right here in the audience section, or you can also create a newsletter if you have a list for your new subscribers. If you have a customer list, you will just select the list right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select a list of engaged in last 30 days. And then we also have our SMS subscribers here, new subscribers, and engaged ones. So these are the lists that I am going for. Then we have don't send to. So if you want to, exclude any list, like you do not want to send to maybe new subscribers or old ones, then you can just select them here. So I'm going to actually select newsletter and the preview list. I do not want to send these lists right here. So once you have entered these details, you're going to click on continue. All right, so this is where we actually work on the content of our email, like what we will be writing within our email, our subject line, our preview text. So I'm going to enter a subject line. I am creating an email, let's say a welcome email for my new subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a subject line, which is going to be welcome. Then we have a preview text. So we have a welcome as a subject line. I entered welcome to all my new subscribers right here in the preview text. Moving on, we have a sender name. So this is where you will enter your name. I'm going to go with the channel name here, and then we have our email address. After that, we have to go to the editor now. So for editor, we have drag and drop, text only, or HTML. So I'm going to work with a drag and drop. It will take us to the editor of our email, and I will be able to now select a template. You can see all of these templates are available on Klaviyo. A very aesthetically pleasing templates, very efficient and professional templates are available. So you can see we have some event email templates, we have business email templates, promotional. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually search for if we have any welcome email template, okay? Or we can use any of these if we like. So I'm going to actually just scroll down a little bit to check the one that matches our. So I'm going to select this one because it matches my theme, what I am looking for. We can of course customize all of these templates. So I'm going to select this one. You can get a preview and then click on use template. So this is the inside of our Klaviyo editor, and this is where we will design our email. This is our template right here, which is like a photography template, but I will customize it according to me. For instance, let's actually get rid of some of the text here. For example, it has a lot of buttons. I do not want that. So I'm just going to get rid of it. You can customize your template that you have selected. So this is our template here. First of all, we're going to change the logo. So we have a logo here and we're going to upload the logo. So just going to click on replace, upload image, and upload the image from your computer. So this is my logo right here. So once your logo is added, you can also go to the display options and check out how your logo looks on different devices. So I think the logo is done. Let's get back. Moving on, we have our text here. So we can, of course, customize the text. So I'm going to quickly do that. So this is where you will enter the text. You can see. Once you're done, you're just going to click on done right here. Moving on, we have this image here. So let's say there was no image in the template. How to insert an image or how to insert a text. For that, what you're going to do is it's a simple drag and drop. So you're going to drag this image from here and place it wherever you want it to be. And now we have a section to add an image. You're going to click on browse image library and you can upload images, or what you can do is you can also select images with the URL. So I'm going to quickly go to upload image and upload image for my email. So this is the image that I wanted to add. We're going to click on done. Moving on, we have this button. So let me show you how to add a button to your email. You can see at this side of your screen, you will find different blocks. We can add text, images, split, buttons, header, shadows, spacers, horizontal lines, dividers into our email from this section here. So we have the button option. So we're going to drag the button and drop it right here. So we have a button now. It says shop now, but I want to actually just say subscribe. Okay, this is what the button will look like. We can change the color of the button as we want, and this is where I will enter the URL for my channel. So all you need to do is just get the URL of your shop that you're creating, of your channel, of any website that you want to add, and paste it inside your button and it will be added. Now when a customer or recipient will receive this email, they will just click on this button and it will take them to this URL. So I'm going to click on done now. We have another button here. So I'm going to delete this one. Then we have some of the dividers added, or horizontal lines. I'm going to get rid of this too. So we have these buttons. Now I'm going to insert a, let's say text again. So you're going to drag and drop it right here. And this is where you will enter the text. And I'm just going to quickly give you an example. Like this is where the text will be. I'm just going to like add a dotted line to just show you. Then you're going to click on done. So this is how you will be creating an email on Klaviyo. It looks really good now. And then what I can do is I can also go to the styles here and change the style of my email. For instance, we have a background color, which is white. So let's say I want to go for another color for my email. So let's actually do that. Okay, this color looks good to me. And then we have a background image. You can see the format and size. So once you're done with your email, you can get a preview from above for desktop and mobile. Click on save and exit. And it'll take you to preview your email that you created. And this is the email that I have created. Now you're going to click on continue to review. And now we can just send our email from here. You can just schedule or send right now. This is how we send email marketing campaigns using Klaviyo. You can create professional email marketing campaigns for your business, for your shop that you're running, for your e-commerce platforms using Klaviyo really easily. Similarly, we have some flows that we can create. We can create sign-up forms, SMS campaigns using Klaviyo with a simple drag and drop editor. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.